Alright, hello everyone. In this short video, I'm just going to show you how you can block any programs or any software on your Windows 11 machine from accessing or communicating over the internet. It is very simple. Here's what you want to do first. Alright, first and foremost, go to your start menu. After you have installed whatever software you want to install, in this specific video, I'm just going to show you an example of how you can block any of the Adobe Creative Cloud software from accessing the internet. Alright, first and foremost, go to your start menu and then just type in Windows Firewall in your search bar, and you should come across the first match option here, which is the Windows Defender Firewall. Open it up. Okay, once you have opened this window up, on the left side here, click on Advanced Settings. I recommend you to be in Administrator mode so you don't encounter any problem. Okay, so click on Advanced Settings and it will pop up this window for you. Okay, so in this window, here's what you want to do. First things first, on your left side here, on the left panel right here, look for Outbound Rules and click on it. Okay, click on Outbound Rules, and then here's what you want to do. For example, if you want to block Adobe Illustrator from accessing and communicating over the internet, once you have clicked on Outbound Rules, go to the panel on the right side and click on New Rule. This will open up the new Outbound Rule wizard window. Okay, and here's what you want to do. Just follow along. For the rule type, choose Program. Hit Next. For the program itself, don't select all programs. Instead, select this program path and then hit Browse. This is where you want to access or you want to find where you installed your Adobe software. So in my case, I installed it in Program Files, and for the most part and for most of you who are watching this video, you probably have installed all of the or any of the Adobe software in your Program Files folder. Okay, so navigate to your local disk. So find local disk C, your main boot drive. Okay, and then find Program Files. Okay, it's either in Program Files or Program Files x86. If you cannot find it in x86, it probably is in the other Program Files folder. So in my case, it's in just Program Files. Find Adobe. Okay, and then find Adobe Illustrator 2022. Or any of the Adobe software works just the same way. Okay, once you open up Adobe Illustrator 2022, you will want to find the executable file for Adobe Illustrator or Premiere Pro or Photoshop or what have you. Okay, not the shortcut. You will generally find the shortcut in the first in this page here. Once you open up the folder, do not use this. This is just a shortcut file. You will need to find the .exe file or the executable file. Okay, and for Adobe Illustrator, it is in the support files folder, and then contents, Windows, and it is over here, right over here. Okay, the folder structure might be different depending on what kind of software you are trying to install, but generally just explore and just browse around until you find the .exe file for the program you want to block its connection from the internet. Okay, not the shortcut. Okay, once you found the program, just double click on it. Okay, and then hit Next, and for the action, just choose the last one, block the connection, and then Next. And for the profile itself, when does this rule apply? Just check for all of these three things: domain, private, and public. Hit Next. For the name, this is just a name for you to identify what rule you have done this. For example, you can just type in Adobe Illustrator or the name of the software that you are blocking its connection, or you can you can even make a longer name or a longer explanation for what this rule is. For example, block Adobe Illustrator from internet. Okay, anything works as long as you know what this rule identifies as. I'm just going to leave it as Adobe Illustrator. Okay, once you're done, hit Finish, and you should be set and done. Okay, so if you go back to your advanced settings here, the outbound rules, you should see now that you have Adobe Illustrator right here. And if it is successfully blocked from the internet and the rule is successfully added, you should see the icon is this red this red icon here instead of the green checkmark icon. This means that Adobe Illustrator is not allowed to communicate over the internet, which is very essential as any of the Adobe software that you install just from the internet um, will tend to have issues when it tries to communicate with Adobe's official server. So what you want to do is just block it and you should be fine using it, no problem. So you should be able to do this. Just follow this tutorial along with any and all of the Adobe software that you want to install. You just want to install generally, and you can also use this for any other software that you would like to block its connection from accessing the internet. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. If anything, please reach out and I will try to help you out.